At Lexus, delivering a premium guest experience means more than just product knowledge. It's about connection and navigating every conversation with clarity and care. In this simulation, you'll help our sales rep create that customer connection using the RICE method. You'll recall RICE spelled backwards helps us remember to empathize, clarify, isolate, and respond. Welcome to the future of customer experience training. Let's step onto the showroom floor. Looks like we've got our first customer. Let's go ahead and greet them.
Hi there. My name is Jason. What brings you into Lexus today?
Hey, thanks. I'm really interested in the ES model.
With the ES model currently out of stock, you've been asked to guide customers to other premium options, like the RZ. Using empathy, how should our salesperson respond here?
Absolutely. The ES is a great model. What drew you to that one specifically?
Honestly, it just feels like it fits my lifestyle.
That's exactly right. You acknowledged the customer's interest and invited them to share more. Great empathy in action. Remember, empathy isn't about offering quick fixes. It's about understanding what matters. With the customer showing interest in the ES, it's time to get specific. Let's clarify what they're really looking for. What's the best way for our salesperson to clarify their needs?
Tell me a bit about how you use your car. What matters most day to day?
Good question. I commute daily, but also visit family out of town regularly.
That's it. You opened the door to a real conversation and uncovered key details about their lifestyle. Remember, clarifying is about exploring needs, not filtering options. In this case, they've mentioned range as an issue. What's the best way to isolate their true concern?
When you say range, what kind of driving are you thinking about?
Mostly longer weekend drives. I just don't want to stop too often.
Perfect. You invited specifics and uncovered context you can build on. Remember, isolating means uncovering the why, not just labeling the what. Now that we understand the why, it's time to offer a tailored, helpful response. Based on what we've heard, how can we respond with something helpful without being pushy?
Let me show you the RZ's extended range features and how it compares to what you described.
That would be great. I'd love to see if it fits my lifestyle.
Excellent. You acknowledged their concern and offered a tailored response. Remember, a good response builds on trust and what you've learned. That wraps our RICE method practice. Let's recap and show you how you can build stories like this yourself. Hi there. This is Ryan at 3DStoryteller, giving you a look at the future of experiential learning for premium brands. Sales teams like yours face complex service moments every day. With 3DStoryteller, anyone can build and update tailored training that sticks in minutes, not months. Mobile-friendly, no code, and backed by an expert team of learning and 3D technologists. Ready to get started? We look forward to proving value quickly with an in-field pilot, even working with your team to create and evaluate a first learning story around a key service moment. Let's talk next steps. In the meantime, stick around for a quick look at how this story was made using 3DStoryteller. .3DStoryteller's intuitive no-code editor lets anyone create, update, and share stories in no time. In the timeline panel below, you can see the pages in our story and the branching outcomes based on responses selected. Just click to add new pages, and we quickly see our story taking shape. Next, I'll work on details, like moving the camera, adding in dialogue, and natural gestures as well. For characters, simply type what you want them to say, and the AI will do the rest. Now we can hit play and see our story come to life. Based on what we've heard, how can we respond with something helpful without being pushy?
Let me show you the RZ's extended range features and how it compares to what you described.
That would be great. I'd love to see if it fits my lifestyle.